Good morning, dear students, and welcome back. In the last class, we started with the study of salts, a compound which is formed from an acid by the replacement of the hydrogen in the acid by a metal, or a compound which is formed when acids react with bases. Salt is a general name and it does not refer only to sodium chloride. Today, we will study about a specific salt, that is sodium chloride, represented by the formula NaCl. It is commonly known as table salt or cooking salt or just salt, which is widely used in cooking to add flavor to food. It is a compound of two elements, sodium and chlorine. This is why it has the chemical name sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is an ionic solid which accounts for its high melting point and conductivity in solution. The salt dissolves in water to form salt solution, an aqueous solution. Sodium chloride can be made in the laboratory by the reaction of hydrochloric acid, which can be the dilute one, and sodium hydroxide. The reaction can be represented by hydrochloric acid dilute plus sodium hydroxide gives sodium chloride plus water and heat. The word equation can be converted to formula equation by taking up the formula of reactant and product entities. HCl plus NaOH gives NaCl plus H2O. The release of heat indicates the reaction as exothermic change. Common salt occurs naturally also in seawater and as rock salt. Common salt is obtained from seawater by the process of evaporation. The huge quantities of common salt required by industries come from seawater. Underground deposits of common salt are also found. The large crystals of common salt are actually the rock salt. It is usually brown or dark brown due to the presence of impurities in it. Now, the uses of common salt. It is used in our daily life. It is best known as table salt and is used widely in food industry for flavoring and preservation. It is also used in the production of many important chemicals including sodium hydroxide, sodium carbonate, baking soda, hydrochloric acid, etc. Common salt being the raw material for these chemicals undergo different type of processes to give different products. We will now describe preparation, properties, and uses of some of the important chemicals which are obtained from common salt or sodium chloride by various methods. When we include its daily life uses, it is also used directly for snow and ice control, as I said, as a food preservative and flavoring agent, as a reagent for water softening, as a mineral in animal diets. Sodium is very essential for our body too. The application of sodium chloride is mostly in chloralkali process. The word chloralkali is for chlorine and sodium hydroxide. The process involves the electrolysis of a concentrated aqueous solution of sodium chloride, which is also known as brine solution. The raw material for this sodium chloride then gives us three main products. During electrolysis, it gives hydrogen gas at cathode, chlorine gas at anode, sodium hydroxide near cathode. Hydrogen gas, which is evolved at cathode, is used as fuel and also in the preparation of ammonia gas. Chloride gas, which is evolved at anode, is used in water treatment, production of polyvinyl chloride pipes, PVC pipes, CFCs, disinfectants, pesticides, etc. Sodium hydroxide is formed near cathode, which is used in degreasing metal, making of soaps, paper making, artificial fibers, etc. The industrial electrolysis of brine or concentrated aqueous solution of sodium chloride or common salt is shown in the picture. Containing is having two carbon rods attached to the positive and negative terminal of the batteries. The positive terminal of the battery to which the electrode is attached is anode, and the electrode which is attached to the negative terminal of the battery is cathode. The electrodes are immersed in brine solution. The aqueous solution allows ions formation, dissociation in it. Hence, the electricity passes through it, resulting in the dissociation of ions. Sodium chloride gives sodium ion and chloride ion. Water dissociates to hydrogen ion and hydroxide ion. Negative ions or anions attracts towards the positive terminal of the particular electrolyte, that is anode. Positive ions, that is cations, are attracted towards the negative electrode cathode. At cathode, hydrogen ions gain electron and converts as hydrogen gas. At anode, chloride ions lose electron and converts as chlorine gas. The hydroxide ion and sodium ion, being oppositely charged ions, get attracted and form sodium hydroxide solution, which is an alkali at the end or near of cathode. As said, sodium hydroxide is used as purifying agent to purify some of the minerals, ores such as bauxite to extract aluminium, to make artificial fibers like rayon, detergents and soap, and paper. Chlorine is used as solvent in dry cleaning industry, as bleach in the making of hydrochloric acid, and as disinfectant killing the bacteria of water. Hydrogen is used to make margarine, helps to make the oils in the margarine spread on your bread, used as a fuel in various ways.